Welcome, young one, to the dark side of the Force, where we unbox stuff with Oakcraft. So, today we are unboxing my Star Wars collectible
widescreen collection.
The widescreen collection edition I was given by a friend recently, and I wanted to share with you guys, so I want to do an unboxing video. Okay, so we have me, Max, your beloved person you're watching, and we have sister
Lorraine.
Yeah, Lorraine! Sorry. I can never remember those extras names. I'm kidding. Don't worry, we get along. Sort of. I'm kidding. Okay, so, first I wanted to show that came with it is this Naboo, yes, this Naboo little item. So all you do is you press a button right here, and it opens up and it shows Darth Maul, Qui-Gon Jinn, and young Obi-Wan Kenobi fighting.
Who's Qui-Gon Jinn?
As you can see, it's moving back and forth. It's moved by...
Are you saying this is Qui-Gon Jinn, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Anakin Skywalker?
Yes, this is. Now, this is Episode 1, The Phantom Menace. Now, let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, let's open this thing up. As you can see, it has a very nice picture of the castle of the royal family on Naboo. And we have a concept art book right here where it shows a concept art of the first one, Phantom Menace. Has many different drawings. And an original piece of film. And if you hold it up to light, you can see, well, not well in this shot, but you can see the original piece of film up close and looks really cool. Okay, moving on to the next item. We have the original VHS. I know that's super old, but yeah, VHS of the Phantom Menace. And we love to watch VHS movies because we have a VHS player. And that has been the unboxing of the Phantom Menace. Episode 1 of the Phantom Menace Star Wars Collector's Edition VHS.
So what's your favorite Star Wars character?
Comment down below. Remember to share, like, and comment about this video. Please tell us what you liked and what other things you think we should unbox. And remember, please subscribe to our channel because we really need to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can make our production humongously greater and bigger and better than ever. So I really look forward to having you subscribe, like, and share this video. And there's going to be other videos coming out soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye.
So what's your favorite character?
I have to say Captain Rex from the Clone Wars. What is your favorite character?
Leia.
Princess Leia?
Mm-hmm.
Well, those are our favorite characters. We can't wait to find out yours. Please leave it in a comment down below. And remember to comment down below which is your favorite movie, character, and scene from Star Wars. And even favorite ship or planet. Please comment down below. Please tell us. Bye.